What happened to Herod? What happened to Herod Antipas, Herod the Great, what happened to Jezebel, can happen to you. Timanin ninyo, samtang niya'y appointed son of God dinhi, ang dautan dili mohari. Dili mi mahadlok sa dautan. Isaray among gikadlukan, ang Diyos lang ug ang pagkamaayo. Hindi kami natatakot sa masama. Hindi kami natatakot sa CPP and PNDF na dapat wala na sa balat ng lupa ng Pilipinas. Pero ini-empower ninyo sila, binibigyan ninyo sila ng kapangyarihan para manalasa na naman ang pag-ibig at ang kabutihan ng Diyos wala sa inyo. Galit ang Diyos sa inyo sapagkat hindi sinusunod ang Romans 13. Di ba sinabi ninyo, the voice of the people is the voice of God? The voice of the people are clamoring for good. The voice of the people are clamoring for peace. The voice of the people are clamoring that we all become united in obedience to God first. Then, peace to our family and communities. Pero, pinapalaganap ninyo itong mga masasamang ito, kalaban ninyo ang Diyos. Kalaban ninyo ang taong bayan, kalaban ninyo ang Diyos. That is what we call abuse of authority and power. Remember Jezebel and Ahab. Remember Rehoboam. Remember Herod. Remember the leaders of the past who abused their power. Where are they now? Kaya gumawa kayo ng kabutihan, your names will be recorded in heaven forever. Do that which is good. We will clap our hands to you. We will pray for you. We will promote you. We will pray for you. Not the other way around.